Do you have kids? Are they at an age where the floor is their playground? Or do you have a teenager that leaves their mess on the floor for the cleaning fairy to pick up? The daily life of food, toys, spills and dirty shoes doesn't mean you have to compromise on achieving your dream home look. Most flooring options these days are made to withstand the demands of a busy household. However, these are my top 2 low-maintenance flooring options. Luxury vinyl plank. It's perfect for all rooms of the house and it's easy to clean and maintain. This option is quieter and warmer than other hard flooring surfaces. It can be easily installed over most existing hard flooring surfaces, and it's also scratch and dent resistant, making it a perfect flooring option for drop school bags, dancing competition or hopscotch on a rainy day. With carpet, choose one that has excellent stain, wear, soil and fade resistance, providing you with peace of mind that the carpet can withstand daily mishaps, whether it's spilt drinks, messy spaghetti or an unexpected teenage party. Choose from solution-dyed nylon, triexta or PET carpets and enjoy the softness and luxury they bring without compromising on keeping floors looking clean. Visit your local Choices Flooring store to check out the range of family-friendly flooring for your home, or visit choicesflooring.com.au. You'll be amazed at the options available.